So let's look at this question here. So by considering FR minus FR plus 1, this is very, actually 100% of the time is matter of difference because difference between two neighboring terms, okay? So FR is 1 over R. Find the sum of 2n terms of the series, this over here. This may not be so easy to see, yeah? But once you consider this, right, it'll be easier. So I'm just going to consider it first. So FR minus FR plus 1 would be 1 over R minus 1 over R plus 1. So if you just do this R plus 1 minus R over R plus 1, this will be 1 over R plus 1. Okay. Now this may not make sense. This guy here may not make sense. But I will show you. You try and understand half plus 1 over 6 plus 12 plus 1 over 20 plus dot is actually 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus 4 times 5 plus 5 times 6 and so on. Okay, so you want 2n terms. 2n terms meaning we start with 2n terms. Okay, so this case here, you start with essentially, if we write this in sigma notation, is R equals to 1 to 2n. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, then if this is done, actually it's quite okay like this, 2n, R equals to 1, then this will be 1 over R minus R plus 1. From here, it's just a matter of difference. 1 minus 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 quarter. Okay, so this is it. Done. Then just cancel everything that is out of your way. What is left behind is just 1 minus 2n plus 1. Okay, let's look at the second part, which is show that 2n of the series is less than 1. Okay, now look at this very carefully. This is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and 5 square. So we just write it down nicely. 2. So this is 1, 2 square plus 1 over 3 square plus 1 over 4 square, 1 over 5 square. Just write it in sigma notation form. You realize that this is just R equals to R plus 1 square to 2n, because you're talking about the sum of 2n terms. Right? This guy is 1 R plus 1 square. You do this. So very typically, this kind of question, what you need to do is just look at the denominator, because the denominator that you're looking for the piece is R and R plus 1. You have this, right? R and R plus 1. Then this guy is R plus 1 square. So you start off with for R at least 1, R plus 1 times R, and R plus 1, which one is bigger? This guy will be bigger because this is R plus 1, this is R plus 1, so this guy will be bigger. Yeah, so then once this is established, what you can do is just take the reciprocal. When you take the reciprocal, obviously this will also flip. Okay, this side will flip. So once we establish that, this guy will be hence 2n, R goes to 1, R plus 1. You just attach the summation on both sides. We can also write this down, sum to infinity. You just do the sum to infinity thing. Okay, this will be like that. R plus 1. Then sum to infinity will just means that you are looking at this goes to, so as limit n goes to infinity, 1 over 2n plus 1 goes to 0. So summation of R equals to 1, R plus 1 is equals to, this goes to 0, becomes 1. Okay, so this equation here will become 1. R goes to 1. Okay. So hence 1 over 2 square plus 1 over 3 square plus 1 over 4 square plus 1 over 5 square plus dot 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 is less than 1. Okay, because this guy is this entire guy here. Okay, that's it. Shown.